Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will give you a simple review of Sellvia. Sellvia is an e-commerce platform designed for entrepreneurs and small businesses. It offers a robust product catalog with fast shipping, primarily focused on the US market. The platform integrates seamlessly with Shopify, making it easy to import products and manage inventory. This integration streamlines operations, allowing users to focus on marketing and sales. Sellvia offers a wide variety of high-quality products across multiple categories, complete with professional descriptions and high-resolution images. Sellvia also provides marketing support with pre-made materials and strategies, ideal for those new to digital marketing. The platform's dedicated customer support ensures a smooth experience for users. Overall, Sellvia is a powerful, user-friendly tool that offers fast shipping, a comprehensive product catalog, and robust support, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to start or grow an online store. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.